Gazan protesters declare occupation, urge national unity. Jordanians stage pro-Palestine rally near Dead Sea. Jordanian Muslim Brotherhood leader dies during sermon. Turkey, Iran and Russia condemns US move on Golan Heights. Russian strike kills 3 in northern Syria, white helmets. US-led coalition killed many civilians in Raqqa. Algerian holds anti-regime demos for 10th Friday in row. Sudanese continue protesting to demand civilian rule. Afghan president inaugurates newly elected parliament. Bangladesh, UN urge continues aid for Rohingya. Pakistan announced next phase in mega deal with China. India tighten rules around Kashmiri leaders' families.